Okay, welcome to my channel. I received a package, and I got so many coming that I'm not sure who this is from. Like I said, when I got that extra money, I went overboard. I am not going to be doing this. What was making the camera shake, I was kind of doing this, and it was causing the camera to shake. I'm not going to do that. What I am going to do is I'm going to open this up, and we will find, so it's going to be a surprise to the both of us. I think this might be from, because it's round, from Evermoment, but I am not sure. Oh yeah, it's from evermoment. I tell you, I love evermoment packaging too, because I can store, even after I finish the painting, I can use this. Oh, yep, it's an evermoment. Yep. That's exactly what it is. It's an evermoment purple bow. Oh, it's really tight. Let's clip it, which I hated to do, but oh well. To those who may not know, I have emphysema. So that's what the coughing is about. I've been out on my medicine for a month. But I called my lung doctor, and they did prescribe some meds. They're not going to pick them up Monday. I just got back from the doctor's yesterday, and I'm not asking for sympathy, I'm just letting you know. I have deficiency in vitamin D. So I've been prescribed medicine vitamin D, told to sit out in the sun for an hour, and my cholesterol level, the good one is too low, and both of the others are too high, dangerously high, like the 1600s. They totally freaked out. And so now I started on meds on that. But enough of that. Here is the boat. The typical pin. Now I know a lot of people like these squishy things. I don't like them. I take them off and I throw them away. They get the evermoment pin. Oh man, I got a six placer. See, six placer. Two nice size wax. And look, let me put this in the bag. I got so many of these freaking boats, and I generally don't use them in my painting. I don't know what this is. Look at it. It's a gift. But darn if I know what it is. I don't know. Is it a label made? Tape? It's some kind of tape. I have no idea what I would use it for. It's sticky in here. It's not labels because there's no way a label. It can't be like that wash because it says evermoment. So I have no idea whatsoever this is for. I'll probably just toss it. They gave me some bags. I don't know how many. Oh, these are good. You can write on them. These I will save. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Something like 48, 49 bags. They're thin, but they're really nice because you can label on them. I have a feeling it's probably one for each color. I like to show the canvas first.
Where did I put it? Hey, where did I put it?
I'll put this here for later. I like to show the canvas before we look at the diamond. And I have no idea what that is. Do you want something? I have no use for it.
Hi people. Looks like some form of tape.
Yeah,
it's tape.
I don't know what I would use it for.
I don't know either.
So I'll probably just toss it. Okay. Oh, let me put the pin. Oh, the pin has a 3-placer too. Okay. You know, personally, this will only be my second one, but my opinion on the packaging compared to diamond art is equivalent. This is slightly more, but it's personal preference. I love the tube. I really, really love the tube. I don't toss them. Oops, sorry. I said I was going to do that. I'm sorry. I'll set you down here. Okay, let's look at the painting itself. Oh, okay. I got a sheet of paper, and oh, it's the flower. I didn't realize the flower was so big. It has a total of 37 colors. It has how many? I don't know, it's written in Chinese. So this is the DMC, obviously. 154 drills, like number 1, I suppose. But anyways, here it is. Let's look at the painting. Oh, the canvas is great. Now the canvas is not as soft as Diamond Art Club, but it's certainly equivalent to Diamond Art Club. I mean, there is not a wrinkle in this. If you can see, let's turn this over. Oh God, yes. Oops, sorry, yes. I just got too excited. Yes. I am gonna stop banging on that table, I promise. I just got excited because this is a kind of backing that I totally love. Is it? Look at that. Let's take a look at that. I don't want to get any wrinkles in it or have any problems, so I'm gonna just peel it halfway. Oh, it's really stuck. Well, I can tell you the glue's good. I'm gonna get this, folks. I swear to God I am. Here we go. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, yes. Yes. The glue. Look how good it is. It is great. Oh yeah, there's going to be a lot of detail in this. I can tell that already. And these are evermoment, so they're squares. I wish evermoment would have come out with some rounds. Hint. Yeah. I'm going to turn this a little bit so you can see it. I'm hoping you can see that. Let me lift it up. Okay, I'm going to fold this other half. No rivets in the canvas. As some of you may know, I ordered a custom from them, and the glue was completely up, and I had contacted them, and with 20, and I sent a picture, mind you, and I told them I didn't need the diamonds, I just needed the canvas. It wasn't even 24 hours when I received a notice from them. No arguments, nothing. I mean, they just sent out a canvas, and I got that a few days ago. And this canvas is perfect. So, I think that other one was fluke. There is a little bit of line here. Like if you're a distance, you see it, but when you're close, so I don't think that's about nothing. And I know I'm the most pickiest person when it comes to diamond painting. I mean, it has the slightest flaw in it, I contact the company and I do. Because when I pay $40, $50 or 99 cents, I expect it to come with me in perfect condition, and they have not failed. Totally not failed. I bought a diamond painting. It was actually on eBay for 99 cents. Cutest little diamond painting. And I don't even remember what was wrong. I figured, 99 cents, it cost me more I'm not gonna bother with it. I did contact her though, why I put a neutral. Well, let me tell you something. She got hold of me and says, I understand it costs you more. I will send you a new canvas. Yes, it was something with the canvas. If you're willing to change your neutral review. I said that was fine. She didn't send the canvas, she sent the whole kit. And I, of course, gave her a revised review stating that about the excellent customer service. This is beautiful. This is going to be so cool. So cool. Oops. See, this is why I didn't want to take it all off. And I know that the clear ones, it's easy to show you the whole canvas. But when it comes to actually doing it, I prefer these. And it, it's just my personal preference. I know a lot of people don't like these, and a lot of people like the clear. So the companies are not going to satisfy everybody. And of course, here is the thumbnail. And like I said, it has a total of 37 colors. They sent over 47 bags, which is great. I also got a package of containers that goes zip bag, everything, but I decided not to do a review on that because, frankly, it's been said on a lot of channels and there's no different. The only thing I could add is I felt it doesn't hold very many diamond paintings, drills. Anyways, that's my unboxing of evermoment flower. And it wasn't inexpensive, but it wasn't expensive. You get what you pay for. But I've got good paintings for 99 cents. I got good paintings for $2. I've got bad, expensive paintings, the whole bit. But I tell you, of the companies I dealt with, I think the two top-notch companies that I've seen so far, in my opinion, is evermoment and Diamond Art. And speaking of Diamond Art, the myth. Diamond Art's supposed to be real expensive. Everybody says they're real expensive. They're really not. In my opinion, they're not. Clearance, under $20. You can get a diamond painting. I've seen them on there for $39, $29, $50, $60. They got all kind of price range. I think they do good on their site in doing diamond paintings to range in different price ranges. I don't think they're any more expensive than any other, but that's just my opinion. Now let's look at the drills. Okay, they are square. There's one, two, I almost forgot they are square. The only thing I don't like, they're bags. The custom I got before was real static. But they're in these tiny bags. I mean, they fill it to the T. So when you go to, I usually do this, I shake them down. So I got space when I cut, they don't fall out, and then I can pour. I found with these you can't. But as you see, they're squares. some peaches. Every moment, will you please do some rounds? I would love it. So, you know, they got some reds, some blues, see, some purples. Cool. Maybe you can see it better this way. See some blues, some peaches. I decided not to take them out because once I do, I'm not real good at getting them folded back in these good when I go to store it, because it's going to be a while before it's going in my stash because I have got so many coming. And anyways, here is some more pinks. I got some orange. Here's some more lighter pinks, some peach, some off-white, kind of vanilla, off-white color, some yellows. Is that gray? A bluish gray in there. Anyways, that is my unboxing for every moment, and I call it the flower. It's gonna be a long, long time before I get it done, but when I do, what I'll do is I'll put it up so you can see it along with a link to this video. In fact, when I do and finish them, and I know I haven't been doing it, but I am going to start. When I finish one, I'll log on it, and I will always link the original unboxing to it, so you can watch the unboxing and then see the finished product. If you guys like that idea. Anyways, happy diamond painting. I will see you next time. And I wouldn't be surprised if it's Monday or Tuesday, because like I said, I got so many of these coming in. I do not have to buy any more kits for a good year and a half. I'm not lying. I got like 20 kits just in my stash right now. And I have got another 15 on the way, approximately. And I will see you next time. Happy diamond painting. Peace, and be nice, everyone. Bye-bye.